Hello everyone, this is Amber from Racing Packaging. We are specializing in mold packaging designing and manufacturing. Today I would like to show you a new box. It is produced by wet pressing process and made from sugarcane paper material. We use all biodegradable material which can completely evaporate and degrade within 3 months. And the color of the paper tray is the original color of the raw material. Because our paper tray is zero pollution, zero emission, and the wastewater can be reused. Let's look at the paper tray. One side has nice texture, and the other side is smoother. On the paper tray, we can customize any logo for you, just like this one. If you are interested in this product, just feel free to contact us. We are offering free design software and free simply. Bye bye.